Surviving a California big rig accident can leave you facing major medical expenses, costly vehicle repairs, and long-term disabilities. How much your personal injury settlement might be worth depends on various factors. You'll be seeking compensation for damages, which fall into 3 categories: special, general, and punitive. Special damages include medical bills, ongoing treatment, and lost wages. Pain and suffering, anxiety, and emotional trauma are all general damages. And punitive damages can become a factor if the driver acted recklessly. To maximize your settlement, seek medical treatment immediately. Report the accident to authorities, gather photos and witness statements if you're able, and seek the help of a good personal injury lawyer, like the kind you'll find at Maison Law in California. The experienced big rig accident attorneys at Maison Law will work with you to build the strongest case possible and negotiate with insurance companies so you can focus on healing. So if you or someone you love was injured as the victim of a big rig accident in California, contact Maison Law today for a free consultation and case assessment.